Hey, what's up guys, this is Ron back here with another video. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded to this channel and I've not been active on my social media at all. So anyways, I'm back now and we'll kill it this time. So today we'll be checking out a $150 smartphone which is a battery monster. So without any further delay, let's get right into the video. So first of all, the smartphone is known as the Doogee BL5000 and goes for a pretty cheap price of $140, and it has quite a few things up its sleeve. The main selling point of this phone is the huge 5000 mAh battery, which is actually really impressive. The battery gives a bit of a bulk to the phone and makes it a bit heavy, but this is all for the cost of a huge battery. The phone runs for about 1 to 1.5 days with heavy usage from a single charge. It has a standby time of about a week, which is really impressive considering the fact that you don't like charging a phone often and carrying a battery bank around. Talking about the design, Doogee claims that the phone has Gorilla Glass 5 both on the front and the back of the phone. But to be honest, I don't actually find that to be true. The phone gets scratched so easily that you won't even like looking at it anymore. So make sure to use the phone case provided in the box. We have the power button and the volume rockers on the right side of the phone, with fingerprint scan on the bottom and supposedly dual cameras on the back, which I don't find to be true. The fingerprint scanner is actually really fast and as accurate as my Galaxy S8, but there's a bit of a delay between when you touch it and when the phone unlocks. One of the best things about this phone in my opinion is the display. Doogee has actually done a great job here. The display is really good compared to some other budget smartphone and feels like an AMOLED display even though it is not. The display has a resolution of 1920 by 1080, but it has huge bezels surrounding it which makes it look ugly, and it also has a much higher brightness than those found in the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 7 Plus. The phone comes with Android 7.0 Nougat out of the box, and I don't see an Oreo update coming anytime in the future. So if you care about software updates, then this is not a great choice for you. Talking about the performance, this is where the phone shines as well as fall behind. The phone uses a MediaTek MTK 6750T processor, which was a bit disappointing but still runs fine with the Mali T860 GPU. The phone comes with a huge skin on top of Android, so I just installed Nova Launcher on top of it. Now, I didn't have any particular issues with this device, even though the MTK 6750T is a low-end CPU, but it is still really fast enough if you're not an avid user. The phone comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is good enough for the price and helps the device run smoothly. The phone plays games really well, but there are still frame drops like games in Asphalt 8 and other 3D games, but it handles 2D games really well and it gets heated up really fast while playing games, so do note that. The camera is something which is actually really disgusting. There's nothing to even speak about it. It does not focus well, the portrait mode and the dual camera system is just a gimmick. So I suggest you not to buy this phone if you're going for the camera, because there are much better options out there in the market. So the final verdict. I would actually only recommend this phone to you if you need some great battery life. There's nothing else which should be a huge selling point for this device. The performance is mediocre, the camera is complete rubbish, and nothing else. So in the end, the decision depends on you. Do you really need a phone with such a huge battery and weight? Personally, I would rather go for a phone which is good in almost everything and not just one thing. Otherwise, the rest is up to you to decide. So yeah guys, basically that's for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. Make sure to follow me on my social media. Like, comment and subscribe if you want to. I'll see you in the next one.